Miscarriage is the loss of pregnancy during the first 24 weeks. Unfortunately, miscarriage is a common complication, but most of the miscarriages happen very early in the first 3 months of pregnancy, which is your first trimester. There are pregnancies that can miscarry later on in the second trimester, and these are called late miscarriages, but all these miscarriages do happen before 24 weeks. Unfortunately, if your baby was to pass away after 24 weeks, it would be classed as a stillbirth. Because miscarriages are so common, some women do not realise that they are pregnant and there are no signs or symptoms of a miscarriage. But the main sign is bleeding, and this can happen with spotting or light bleeding or heavier bleeding like a period or heavier than a period. Sometimes the bleeding can be associated with cramping pains, tummy pains. There could be discharge of fluid, or there could be tissue that has come from your vagina. Some women, if they've been having symptoms of pregnancy, they will not have these symptoms, or these symptoms will go away gradually, such as feeling sick and tender breaths. We cannot always give a reason why miscarriages happen. There can be many reasons, age-related, chromosomal abnormalities, but it is difficult, obviously, to come to terms with having a miscarriage because we cannot always give a reason. Sometimes doctors can offer tests to look and investigate if there is a reason why lots of miscarriages do happen, and there may be treatments available. Miscarriages can happen over 1 to 2 days, or they can happen up to 3 to 4 weeks. These are the physical symptoms. But when we look at the psychological symptoms, these could be lifelong trauma that women are experiencing, and psychologically the effect of the miscarriage can happen and last a lot longer. Miscarriages, if a woman did not realise she's pregnant, or it happened very early in the pregnancy, may not be painful, there may be no symptoms. As the pregnancy comes longer and is more advanced, the miscarriage can be more painful and more uncomfortable with more bleeding.